Something else is coming. Something else is coming. Yeah, he's slowing down. So I think there's probably someone on the on this siding, because they don't slow down like this unless something's coming. I bet something else is coming. Something else is coming. He's slowing down. Yeah.
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
When you went over to Alma, did you just go to the Dollar General?
Yeah.
You gotta roll through Alma. Go actually down through the main street. When you come in, there will be a flashing light. Turn to the left. Follow it down. Almost till you're going out of town.
Yeah.
Okay? That's Railroad Park, and they got all the stuff in there for Railroad Park from the old.
Okay, you know, I did find it on the map, Google Maps. I do need to check that out.
I might mention that because I mean, if you're at the Dollar General, I mean it's less than a mile to go see Railroad Park.
Yeah, next weekend me and my dad are gonna take that dirt road and go check out the bridge.
Well, I was gonna say you want me to take it down there, I'll take it down there.
Oh my dad really wants to go too.
That's cool.
Yeah. But yeah, something else is coming. He's slowing down.
I know where all